In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variable fields to your templates in Pandadoc, making your document creation process more efficient and tailored. Whether you're familiar with Pandadoc or just starting out, this guide will simplify the process and help customize your documents with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by heading over to Pandadoc's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in pandadoc.com. This platform is designed to help you create, approve, track, and e-sign documents 40% faster, so you're already on your way to a more streamlined workflow. Once on the website, you'll need to log into your account. Direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your email and password associated with your Pandadoc account. If you've saved these details on your device, it should be a quick and smooth process. After successfully logging in, your next step is to navigate to the Pandadoc home. Here, you'll find an overview of your account, including documents, templates, and settings. Everything you need to manage your workflows better. Now, on the home page, you will want to pick a document to which you'd like to add those variable fields. Simply click on one of your existing documents or begin a new one if that suits your needs better. This step is all about selecting the canvas you'll be working on. With your document open, it's time to access the Variables section. You can typically find the Variables tab in the top menu of your document editor. Clicking on this will enable you to start creating and managing variables for your template. Variable fields are incredibly useful because they allow you to insert placeholder text that can be automatically filled with specific information later, such as names, dates, or custom text. A fantastic way to maintain consistency while tailoring each document to its recipient. While you're here in the Variables section, don't forget that you can edit, rename, or add additional variables based on your project needs. This flexibility ensures that your documents are as personalized and detailed as they need to be, while also saving you time. And that's it. You've successfully added variable fields to your Pandadoc templates. This addition will not only enrich your documents, but also automate repetitive tasks, ensuring that each document looks polished and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy documenting!